Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramlu. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribing this channel. My channel name is s.s space physics. Let me start the topic. Second law of thermodynamics. So for second law, there are the two statements. One statement is explained by the Kelvin and the next statement is explained by the Clausius. First, what is the Kelvin statement? It is impossible to derive a continuous supply of work by cooling a body to a temperature lower than that of the coldest of its surrounding. It is the first statement, and its explanation is also there downside. And what is first? Let me explain its statement. It is impossible means it is not possible. To derive means to supply, to take a continuous supply of work. Okay, so to derive a continuous supply of work means, suppose here one substance is there, means that is at higher temperature, and here one more substance like this. Let there are three substances are there, and let it is maintaining the temperature T1 and it is maintaining the temperature T2. Now T1 is a condition is what here the condition is T1 is greater than T2, right? That means it is a good example of Carnot engine, right? Kelvin explained about the Carnot engine. What it will do, Carnot engine it receives heat energy from the source, which receives a working substance receives heat energy from the source, and a part of it convert into work, and a part remaining heat rejected to the sink. Rejected means it gives to the sink. All right, so that like this it works. So when this working substance taking continuously heat energy from the source, let it is its name is source and its name is sink. Okay, then what happens when it is receives the heat energy from the source continuously? Then what happens? Source heat or temperature may decrease slowly. So when the temperature of a source decreases after a certain time, what happens? Its temperature may be equal to the temperature of the sink, right? Again, if we take the heat energy from this source and convert it part of heat into work, and the remaining heat reject to the sink, then its temperature may be lower than that of the temperature of sink. Am I right? When source temperature is lower than that of temperature of sink, then what it will, this working substance is impossible to take its heat energy from the source. Am I right? So then it cannot perform any work. Why? Because it cannot receive any heat energy from the source. Okay, so when it is not receiving heat energy, then it cannot perform work, then and it cannot gives that remaining part of heat energy to the sink. Sink means to the, if it is surrounding, sink is surrounding and source is like a sun. Okay, so when we take continuous heat energy from the source or means sun, then let only its temperature gradually decreases, and when its temperature is lower than that of the surrounding temperature, then the sun cannot give any heat energy. Then it is impossible to take now heat energy from the source and to perform work. So that is a statement of this. Okay friends, okay, right. Now see here, it is impossible to derive a continuous supply of work by cooling a body, right? By cooling a body to a temperature lower than that of the coldest of its surrounding. Okay, suppose there is a one substance, right, that is kept in weather, right, that is kept in weather, and let it is the coldest one, and it's let it is a weather temperature is somewhat greater than this substance. Okay, so its temperature is less and its temperature is more. Okay, then can you receive heat energy from this, so this substance, and can you give it to the surrounding? Okay, when its temperature is lower than the surrounding, then it is impossible to receive, to supply heat energy from here to outside. Okay, that is the meaning of this. We know that a heat engine takes heat from the source. Yes, just know what I explained you. Okay, heat source convert a part into mechanical work, and a balance is rejected to the sink. Yes, balance rejected to the sink. If you listen Carnot engine, then it is easy to understand you. As a engine absorbs more and more heat from the source, the temperature of source continuously falls, and after some time becomes as that of surrounding. All right. So when if you take heat energy from source continuously, source means generally which maintains at high temperature. Okay, then after certain time what happens? Its temperature may decrease. When its temperature is equal to the surrounding temperature, then it cannot transfer in heat temperature. Now, no heat flow will be possible in this case. Yes, when the temperature of one body equal to the surrounding, then it cannot give any heat to the surrounding. Then it not giving heat energy means no work performs. In this case, engine stop working. Yes, that is, no work can be obtained from the engine. This consideration led to Kelvin to state the second law. So these things made him to give the second statement. Okay, so like this he gave the second statement. Next, what he did? Who? Clausius. So that is also we have to know about the Clausius. So let me explain Clausius statement. It is impossible for self-acting machine unaided by unaided by any external agency to convert heat from a cold body to a hot body. He is also he is what he's saying. He is saying about a refrigerator. Okay, so here what is refrigerator? In refrigerator pane work is what? Refrigerator means fridge. What it will do? Suppose if it is a fridge, inside fridge let I kept one substance, then outside is the surrounding. Am I right? What it will do? Refrigerator main work is what? To decrease its temperature. Am I right? So to decreasing temperature means refrigerator have to send its temperature outside continuously. But refrigerator works with what? It works with electricity. Okay, without electricity, without current, refrigerator cannot work. So this current is called external agency. Okay, this without this current, refrigerator cannot work. So then this is called external agency. So to work this refrigerator, something is required. That something is called external agency. So for the refrigerator, it is external agency. Without this external agency, can this refrigerator send or remove the heat from this substance? No, it is not possible. Okay, once again listen. Without this current, this refrigerator cannot remove heat energy from this substance. See here now, it is impossible. That means not possible. Okay, for a self-acting machine, self-acting machine means suppose a refrigerator is a machine. Okay, so if this want to work, current is required. So now it is not self-acting. Without current, it is if without current, if it works, that is self-acting. Okay, for a self-acting machine unaided by external agency, without giving current to it, it cannot means that is agency to convert heat from cold body to hot body. Okay, surrounding is a hot body and inside substance is cold body. So it cannot convert heat energy from here to here. Okay, without current. Okay, with current only it can do, but without current it cannot do. So it cannot do means not possible. Yes, we know that action of refrigerator is just reverse of heat engine. Yes, the Clausius statement of second law is based on the working of refrigerator. Okay, so action of refrigerator is just reverse heat engine. Heat engine, what it will do, it take heat energy from the source, means high temperature body, and work convert part of heat into work, and remaining give to the sink. But here what it has to do, it has to remove the heat energy from the cold body and give to the surrounding. Okay, surrounding means hot body. The clauses, right? In refrigerator, transfer of heat takes place from cold body to a hot body with aid of it is not for aid of an external agency. So that means with here, but in the statement without, unaided. Okay, it is impossible for self-acting machine unaided by external, means without it is. Here with, yes, it can do, but without it cannot do. Okay, aid of an external agency. Now it is not now, it is no, right? It is no. No refrigerator so far, not yes here, so far has been constructed which can transfer heat from a cold body to a hot body without the aid of external agency. This consideration led classes to state the second law. Okay, so right, no here, not now, it is no refrigerator so has been, here there is no yes. Okay, no refrigerator so far has been constructed. So without current, and now no refrigerator cannot work. Okay, to convert heat energy from hot body to cold body to hot body, right? So it cannot transfer heat energy from cold body to hot body without external agency, means without current. With current only it can do. So this is a second statement of second law of thermodynamics. Okay friends, thank you. Please don't forget watching this video till the end. Thank you.